Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be installing and styling these curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. This is just a little goodie bag that the clip-ins came in. They provided a satin bonnet and a brush. This is their 3A-3B water curly clip-ins in 18 inches, 2 packs. For this look, I'm going to be doing a flip over method, and the flip over method is just when you leave the front part of your edges out. You could choose to leave as much or little as possible. This is the amount I'm doing, but this gives a sew-in effect, and I love this styling because it just looks super natural and it protects the hair as well. So I'm going to be braiding down my hair in cornrows. I'm not a professional at all. I'm braiding. I'm just doing 4 little braids so that I can put them up and put the clip-ins over. They're not going to be showing anyway, so I think 4 to 8 is a good number of braids to do to the hair when doing this style. With the flip over method, you don't really necessarily have a middle part or a side part. You kind of just move the hair to the sides or the middle, and you still get that natural effect because you have the front hair out, so it creates a really seamless look. This style is also perfect if you want to wear extensions that don't match your natural hair, because you don't have to leave that much of your natural hair out. But with these clip-ins, they're super versatile, so you could do the flip over method, or if you have hair that matches their texture, you could leave your natural hair out. I just wanted to do a protective style this time, so I did do or decide to do the flip over method for this. I'm just tucking in the ends of the braids with bobby pin, and this is the final look of braiding it down, super quick and easy. And now I'm just going to be installing the clip-ins. So as I mentioned earlier, this is their water curly 3A-3B hair texture in 18 inches, and I got 2 packs for a full head. The hair could be washed, conditioned, cut. You could do a twist out, bantu knot, you could straighten it. You could also color it and bleach it. So this hair is very versatile. I love it. And they also have other textures of curly hair. So if 3A-3B doesn't match your natural hair, they also have 2C up to 4C. So they have many options to choose from. For this look, I did end up using all the pieces of the 2 packs except about 4 of the shorter pieces. I didn't really need those. And if you're leaving some of your natural hair out, you could probably use even less. For my leave out, I'm going to be applying a little bit of mousse on the hair in sections, and then I'm going to be using a perm rod to create a similar curl pattern as the clip-ins. I'm doing this before I start defining the clip-ins just for extra drying time. Because it is foam, it might take a little longer to dry, so I just wanted to do these ahead of time so that I could get more drying time. Now I'm going to be defining the curly clip-ins, and I'm going to do sections. I think I ended up doing about 8 different sections, and in each section I'm going to be applying water, damping the hair a little bit, and then I'm going to be using a mousse. I'm using a different mousse that I use for my leave out because the mousse that I use for my leave out is a bit stronger and I wanted something really lightweight for the clip-ins. So I'm using Lotta Body Milk and Honey mousse for the clip-ins, and I'm using a brush to define the strands and the curls. And I'm just going to repeat these steps until I am finished with the whole head. Once I'm done defining the curls, I'm just going to take my blow dryer. It has a diffuser attachment and I'm going to use this to dry the hair. It did take about 10 minutes to fully dry, so it wasn't too bad. But I'm just going to be drying it until it's completely dry. Now I'm just separating the curls because I did use a defining brush. It clumped together the curls, which I personally love, but I just separated them a little bit just for more volume. Now I'm going to take down the perm rods. I love using a wax stick to kind of just slick my leave out back. It just creates more of a natural look. I'm doing my baby hairs, and this is the final look. It came out super cute. I absolutely love this hair. The curls are super juicy, defined, and they look so good.